English in action. Unveiling the present continuous tense. Hello, everyone. Today we're diving into the vibrant world of the English language, focusing on a very essential part of grammar: the present continuous tense. We'll particularly examine its use for describing actions in progress. Let's jump right into it. The present continuous tense, also known as the present progressive tense, is used to describe actions that are happening at this very moment. For instance, I am watching a movie, she is reading a book, or they are playing soccer. Notice how each sentence is talking about an action that's happening right now, as we speak. Creating sentences in the present continuous tense is straightforward. We use the subject plus be, verb, am, is, are, plus verb ing structure. Let's try some examples. 1. I am working on a project. 2. He is listening to music. 3. They are eating dinner. Remember, we choose am, is, or are based on the subject. I pairs with am, he, she, and it pair with is, and you, we, and they pair with are. The beauty of the present continuous tense lies in its ability to portray actions in progress. Imagine it's a sunny day and your friend calls you. They ask, "What are you doing?" Instead of simply saying, "I read," which could mean that you read in general, you say, "I am reading a book." This implies that you are in the middle of reading a book at that very moment. Let's try a few more examples. 1. They are playing chess. This means they're playing chess right now. 2. She is cooking dinner. She's in the process of cooking dinner at this moment. And that's a wrap on our journey through the present continuous tense for describing actions in progress. I hope this video has helped you understand how we use this tense to paint vivid pictures of what's happening in the present. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be using the present continuous tense like a pro. Until next time, happy learning!